Alright, so hey guys, this is a quick video on how to do two-step equations. So it's the same rules apply as one-step equations. The goal is that we're trying to get our variable by itself. So we have to undo everything that's being done around it. But how these are different is there are two things going on. Usually it's going to be either there's going to be addition and subtraction and multiplication or division. Okay, for the examples that I've given you, it's all multiplication mixed with either addition or subtraction. So the biggest thing is what we have to remember is we always undo addition and subtraction first. We want to get that out of there first, and then we can undo multiplication. Okay, so if we're looking at number one, I have -4. Remember, when it's right next to the variable, that means we're multiplying. So far, to this variable, what's being done to it is it's being multiplied by -4, and then 4 is being added to it as well. So those are our two operations being done to this x. So that's where our two-step comes in. We have two things that we have to undo to get x by itself. So like I said, always start with either addition or subtraction. So we're going to undo this adding 4 first. So to undo adding 4, we need to subtract 4 to this side of the equal sign and this side of the equal sign. So I'm going to slide this to the side and we'll see that. So I'm subtracting 4 from both sides. Okay, I have my line drawn down the middle, and on this side I'm subtracting 4 and this side. So these are going to cancel each other out, and I'm going to bring down this whole thing, -4x. I bring that whole thing down, and then on this side it will be equaling whatever -32 minus 4 is. So I'm going to slide this, and we'll figure out. So here, see, I slid down -4x all the way here, equaling, and then -32 minus 4 is -36. Okay, I have two negatives here, so it's basically like I'm adding two negatives together. So that's why I get a bigger negative, which is -36. So right now I have now it's just like a one step. Okay, I have -4 times x equaling -36. So I did my first step. Now this is just like a normal one step problem. So I'm going to undo this multiplication, -4 times x. So I'm going to divide by -4. So I have dividing by -4 on both sides. Okay, I bring my x down. Remember, these like cancel each other out. And over here, I'm figuring out what -36 divided by -4 is. So I'll have my x on this side. We'll see that first. There's my x and my equal sign. And I want to figure out what -36 divided by -4 is. So it's asking myself, okay, what -4 times what would give me a -36? So we have to think about our multiplication rules with negatives and positives. A negative times a positive is what gives me a negative. So -4 times I need a positive number to give me that -36. So -4 times +9 will give me -36. That's what it should be. Okay, so there's my answer, but I'm not done yet. I want to check it. So I'm going to take this 9 and plug it into this top equation. So instead of writing x, I'm going to write 9. So here it is. -4 times 9 plus 4 equals -32. So I'm going to start here, -4 times 9. And this is following order of operations. When I'm undoing, I kind of do backwards order of operations. But when I want to solve it, I do normal order of operations, and multiplication comes before addition. So -4 times 9 is -36, and then I write down the rest. Plus 4 equals -32. Now I have -36 plus 4, which is -32, which equals -32. So it's correct. X does equal 9. Okay, number 2, go ahead, pause it, give it a try first on your own, and then I'll jump in. Okay, so 2x minus 10 equals -12. That's what I'm trying to solve. Being done to this x is I have 2 times x, so there's some multiplication going on, and some subtraction, minus 10. So remember, addition, subtraction, we do undo first. So I have minus 10, I want to do the opposite, which is adding 10. I'm going to add 10 to both sides. Bring down my 2x, so that's what I have over here. 2x is going to equal whatever -12 plus 10 is, which is -2. Now I have 2 times x, so I'm going to undo that by dividing by 2. Bring down my x, and -2 divided by 2 is -1.